Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete your home from the XPeng navigation. So, if you got the wrong address by mistake, I'll show you how to delete it. First, make sure that you're in the home app so that you have everything here. We're gonna click on the gear icon, and here we have the navigation settings. As you guys can see, here we have the commuter options. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and click the pen icon close to our home. Here we can click on edit, so we can edit our wrong address, or if we basically want to delete it, then we can click on delete and click it again. Now, we will not see our home on the map. It disappeared, and we can only see our workplace now because only workplace is added. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.